Welcome to day 5 of the 7-class beginners yoga series for overall health. This 5-minute yoga flow is tailored to help gain stamina, strength, and balance. This class is a little bit more challenging, however, always listen to the body. Do what you can, and in time you will gain more strength and stamina to do more. Enjoy the journey. Let's begin in tabletop position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, round through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continued syncing breath with movement, moving at your own pace. Tuck the toes and send the hips towards your heels. Grounding into your hands, guide your hips down towards the heels. Option to rock side to side. Inhale, sending the hips up for down dog. Walk it out, bending one knee at a time. Let the head be heavy. Grounding into the hands. Rounding the elbows in towards the face. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, knee to nose. 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 Hold. Step it between the hands. Inhale, hands reach up overhead for high lunge. Exhale, plant the hands. Step back for plank, option to drop the knees as you lower halfway for chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose, hold. Plant the foot between the hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, plant the hands, step back for chaturanga, option to drop the knees. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. On an inhale, send the tailbone up towards the sky, lifting the heels, rounding through the spine to plank. Full exhale. Inhale, side plank, stack the feet, reaching the left hand up and overhead. Exhale, plant the left hand, lower for chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, round through to plank. Full exhale. Inhale, side plank. Right hand reaches up. Exhale, plant the hand. Lower halfway. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Drop the knees, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Taking a moment here to soak in the practice. Soften the shoulders and upper back with each exhale. Inhale, draw the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back with your breath. Exhale, surrendering in the hips, softening the feet. On the inhale, rounding up one vertebrae at a time, let the head come up last. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.